Ready to move your Bitcoin from Crypto.com to another wallet? Let's dive in. First, open your Crypto.com app and tap on the Accounts button at the bottom. Next, select Crypto Wallet. This is where all your crypto holdings are stored within the app. Now, find Bitcoin in your crypto list and tap on it. This will bring you to your Bitcoin wallet details. You should see a transfer button. Tap it, and then select Withdraw. Choose External Wallet. Since you're sending to a wallet outside of Crypto.com, if this is the first time sending to this address, you'll need to add the recipient's wallet address. To do this, tap the plus icon in the upper right corner. Carefully enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address into the wallet address field. This is crucial, so double check it. Give the wallet a recognizable name like Hardware Wallet in the wallet name field, then tap Continue. You'll see a confirmation screen. Verify that the wallet address is 100% correct. If it is, tap Confirm. Crypto.com may require a verification code sent to your email or phone, so follow the on-screen prompts if requested. Now that you've added the wallet, select it. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send in the amount field. Make sure you're using the Bitcoin network, which should be selected by default for a standard Bitcoin wallet. Review all the details one last time: the recipient's address, the amount, and any fees. Tap Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll then see a confirmation screen. Your Bitcoin transfer is now underway. Transfer times can vary depending on network congestion, but it's usually processed within an hour. You can check the status of the transaction on the Crypto.com app, and that's it. You've successfully sent Bitcoin from Crypto.com to another wallet.